Hello, and welcome back to Adam's Food Reviews. Today, I know we did this last week, but tough times for me, honestly. So this is all I could afford right here. Just kidding, but it's another pizza. It's from, I guess they don't advertise that much, I guess, but it's from Papa John's. That's the only place I could see right now. Papa Rewards, Papa John's right there. Advertisements. Oh, no, there it is. Papa John's. Papa J's. So as you know, last week I had a pizza and it was below average. We can all agree that it was bad, but okay. So this is gonna be my first look. Gonna open it up. Let's see how it is. Well, I can't see it because this is blocking my face. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Look at this. Oh my God. Are you serious? Oh my God, guys. My pizza fell out. Are you serious, guys? Thumbnail. Bruh, my pizza's on the ground right now, guys. Let me put this back in the box real quick. Oh my God, the cheese is on the ground. Put that on that side so I don't need it. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the ground. Look, it's so greasy, bruh. Let me just clean this up real quick. Look, now the floor looks shiny at least. If you're wondering why I'm sitting on the floor, I can't afford a table really, so. Okay, well, so half of the pizza's bad, but this is the good pizza. Okay. One thing about Papa John's is that I always notice there's like bubbles, like look at this. It's like nothing inside, it's just like bubbles and like a waste of space, but let's try it out. Just in case it's like, this is the part that didn't land on the ground. It landed on top of the stuff that went on the ground, so I'll try this piece right here. Okay. Good pizza. I like this way better than Maz. I don't like thin crust as much as I like this. I like this a lot more. The thickness, honestly. Okay, they include this sauce. I'll try it because it comes with the meal. Ew. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's like, ooh. Don't look good. But let's test it out real quick. So I'm gonna dip it just right here, I guess. Ooh. Right there. It's like yellow. Adds a lot of flavor. Garlic flavor, honestly. It's good pizza. What a shame that it fell on the floor. I'll probably still eat it. Let's try the sauce with the crust, because maybe it's like better with the crust or something. Oh my God. Let's test it out right here. It's good. It's good. It's good with everything, honestly, the sauce they come with. So that sauce right there. That's good. Comes with this pepper. I think these are green peppers, so they're not supposed to be that spicy, so I'll try it out as well, I guess. I hate spicy. It's spicy. I think it's a jalapeno. I'm good. I had a spice like a boss. Look at all the seeds inside. Yeah. Maybe it's supposed to go with this sauce. Let's test it out, guys. That made a bad sound. Let's test it out. Oh, shit. Just flavored water real quick. Oh, that helps a lot. That was... It's not bad. Kind of is, but... Okay, pizza. Oh! Oh, shoot. Okay, I didn't wipe my hands. Pizza, I'd say 9 out of 10. With sauce, 10 out of 10. This green pepper, I think it's a jalapeno though, but it was green, so it's a green pepper, but it was spicy. It's spicy. Tongue hurts. One thing is, it doesn't stay in the box like last week's. It did. Just not flexible. I don't know what to say it as. Not too bendy. I don't know. It folded in half and fell on the ground. But overall, it's good pizza. If you like spicy things, I recommend eating that. Sauce adds extra flavor. And have a good week, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.